Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to create a new user on this console. Okay, first we need to open the settings on our Switch, so find the settings icon and tap on it to open the system settings. Now scroll through the settings by swiping on the screen and look for the option called users, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the option called add user, tap on it, and we have option to log in into a Nintendo account or create an account or user without logging in. I'm gonna select the second option. Here we can select the icon, for example, I don't know, maybe this one, and then we can enter the nickname for our account. And then we can tap on OK, and the user was added. You can reorder the users by tapping on Reorder, and you can change the order of them. Another thing you can do is add another user if you want. Also, if you go back to home screen, you will see two icons right now, and you can, I believe, switch between them by just simply, or you don't need to switch between them, never mind. So that's my bad. But you can basically edit the profiles right here if you want to. Okay, and that's how you add a new user account on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.